Hey, welcome to the RC Driver 2 channel. On the workbench today, I have the new Traxxas TRX-4m High Trail Edition with the Chevy K10 body. In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna give you a quick start guide to help you get going. If you love RC content, hit that subscribe button right now and the like button along the way. All right, let's dive into this box. There's much more than just a body change on this TRX-4m, but starting off with the body, it comes in red or blue, and it's a hard body, guys. I know a lot of people are excited to have a classic truck in a hard body. And let's crack this thing open. It looks nicely packaged like the other TRX-4Ms were. And let's start by taking a look at the support bag. They're gonna give you a quick start instruction guide in here as well, but we're gonna go over that here today. There's a breakdown of the parts and some service information. And then they give you a registration card. And on this big sheet of paper is actually a poster, so you can go hang it up on your wall. Also in this bag is a basic toolkit, some shock preload clips, and I thought this was really cool. They give you a drop-down trailer hitch so you could go and install the optional trailer without having to worry about a height difference. Now we can start cracking into the kit itself, and let's start off with the 2S battery pack. It's a 750 milliamp battery pack. It does have its own connector on there, so you will have to use the supplied charger to charge up the battery pack. This is a USB setup. To control this truck, they give you the TQ radio system. You will need to supply 4 AA batteries for this, and this is a nice controller to get you started. It's got the basic trim functions and a nice foam steering wheel. Finally, guys, we could get to the truck, and it's nicely packaged. It's got a cellophane wrapper on the outside to help protect the body, and look at this truck. That is a cool looking K10, right? Love the chrome details, clear windows, and they have new wheels and tires on it that are a larger diameter. This truck, being a High Trail Edition, does have some mods to it. It's got a new chassis, different shock towers, and those pieces combined with the tires give you more ground clearance with this truck. Now let's get your new truck up and running. I suggest when you pop open the box, you take your USB charger and your battery pack and you throw it on charge while you go through the instruction manual. Always keep an eye on your LiPo battery and never walk away from a charging pack. After you read through the instruction manual, go ahead and install your 4 AA batteries, then just wait for your charger to finish up, and the charger will indicate when the battery is charged. Now to access the battery tray, there's 2 little clips located on the underside of the body. You pull those out, lift the body up, and unplug the LED lights from the receiver. Take the rubber strap off the battery tray by unhooking it, and then you can slide in your battery pack. Slip the rubber strap back in place, and now you're ready to turn on your car. And always turn on your radio first and off last, and then plug in your battery pack. That's your on and off switch. So when you're done, you're going to unplug that. Just give it a quick check. We've got steering here. We've got throttle. Now we go plug the LED lights back in. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. Those LEDs are nice and bright. And then go snap in the body set. Now we're ready to go on a small scale crawling adventure. I'll have links for the K10 in the video description below, and if you want to find out more details about the truck, you could check out the video on our main channel. I'll put a card up above so you can click on it and head right over there.